Hello viewers, today I will show you an NFT banner design that I do for my clients. He liked it very much, provide me a 5-star ratings with positive reviews. You can check my other design also in Fiverr, so you can get an idea about my design, my services, my reviews, etc. etc. If you are an NFT seller, then you must aware about social media marketing. For more visitor and more customer, we know we have to make a great impression on Discord, Twitter, Instagram, Opensea, Facebook, etc. I am a graphic designer and I feel many NFT sellers don't do great marketing, and for a great marketing need the basic resources that start from a banner or cover design or logo design, etc. I have already discussed about details. Let's jump on the design. I am Rizal Islam, professional graphic designer having experience more than 5 years. Let's enjoy the tutorial. Thank you very much, and if you like my video, please hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. You will get more update on next tutorials. So thank you very much. See you soon.